The cannabis and hemp industries have grown fast. Legislation and demand have pushed production to new levels, and the rules that govern them are complex and always changing. They differ from regions, and many producers are still learning what applies to them. There are still people growing and selling with little understanding of what's really in their products, which makes it hard for consumers to know who to trust. Even with all the progress, the industry still carries some of its old reputation, when testing wasn't always a part of the process. This is starting to shift as more producers invest in proper analysis and help cannabis and hemp mature into credible, professional markets. For cannabis and hemp to keep growing, they need consistency and trust, and testing is what makes that possible. It gives producers the data and credibility to prove what's in their products and how they meet recognized standards. Credibility gives regulators, investors, and consumers confidence in the industry, showing that cannabis and hemp are being produced responsibly, with real evidence behind every decision. Testing also gives producers a clear picture of their products, how much THC and CBD they contain, what the terpene profile looks like, and whether any solvents or pesticides are still present. This information connects every stage of production. Growers can track changes between crops, manufacturers can refine extraction and formulation, and dispensaries can confirm what's on the label. Testing separates professional production from guesswork, and as more producers commit to reliable analysis, the reputation of the industry improves for everyone. One of the biggest challenges for cannabis and hemp producers is keeping up with regulations. Rules differ depending on where you operate, and they can change quickly as new markets open or the laws evolve. Across the industry, THC and CBD limits change depending on where you are. In the US, each state sets its own testing and labeling rules. Canada works to a national framework with defined limits on contaminants and potency, while across Europe and the UK, permitted cannabinoid levels and testing methods differ again. These variations affect everything from cultivation and processing to packaging and sale. And for producers who export or supply multiple regions, reliable testing keeps products compliant wherever they're sold. Producers need testing that gives clear and dependable results, and gas chromatography is one of the main techniques used in cannabis and hemp. It's designed to separate and measure volatile and semi-volatile compounds, which include cannabinoids, terpenes, solvents, and other residues. By separating these compounds, it provides clear data on what's present and in what amount. That same method is used daily in regulated industries like pharmaceuticals, food safety, and environmental testing, and that's because it produces consistent, repeatable results. Its reliability makes it a trusted tool for cannabis and hemp analysis, where every result supports product safety, compliance, and quality. Many cannabis and hemp producers still send their samples to external labs, and while that works, waiting days for results can slow production and delay decisions. Running testing in-house is much easier than many people expect. Modern gas chromatography systems are compact, straightforward to use, and designed for dependable performance. Preparing a sample only takes a few steps, and results are ready within minutes. When testing happens on-site, producers can check potency, solvent residues, and contaminants wherever they need to, catching issues early and adjusting processes right away. It also means the product quality can be confirmed before anything even leaves the facility. Having testing in-house gives producers a clear view on how each stage of production is affecting the final product. This helps maintain consistency across every batch. Now, if you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more. You can also visit our website to learn more about this method or other applications. Thanks for watching.